Quick water change. Only 2 valves and a long hose are needed to quickly complete the water change of the fish tank, and use the pressure of tap water to drain water. This semi-automatic water changer is suitable for medium and large fish tanks. No buckets, no spill, no noise, easy to install and simple operation, no bucket required. The dirty water in the fish tank is drawn out under the pressure of tap water. After the drain is completed, just switch the valve to add water. Gravel cleaning. The 16.5-inch long cleaning tube has a built-in filter. When draining, gently agitate the gravel to remove the debris. It will not make noise and the fish will not be disturbed. Suitable for most faucets. The package comes with a 3/4 GHT garden hose adapter, a 15/16 threaded faucets adapter, a 55/64 threaded faucets adapter, a 13/16 threaded faucets adapter, and it is suitable for all quick connectors. 2022 upgraded version. The latest generation of HVDI Aquarium water changer. If you want higher quality, easier and more comfortable products, please choose us. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. Please contact us if you need any assistance. Top reviews from the United States. Why did I not buy this sooner? I have a 75-gallon tank which takes a long time to clean and do water changes. I gave this a try for the first time yesterday and I will never go back to using a bucket for water changes. Overall, it takes about an hour to drain, clean decor, vacuum gravel, and refill with a small water pump and bucket, which was working fine but time-consuming. With this, my time spent draining and refilling has been cut in half. It's very easy to use and my fish don't seem bothered by it at all. I do appreciate the holes inside the nozzle to prevent any fish from getting caught in the tubing, as I have fairly young fry in one of my other tanks and they are nice and safe when I do water changes. I highly recommend this product.